Hi, and welcome to my channel. My name is Serge. Let's see what we're going to do today. Today we're going to make Middle Eastern Lebanese cucumber pickles. I have my washed cucumber, garlic, salt, sugar, water, vinegar, and my pressure jar. First thing I do, I take the lid out and lay my jar down so it's easier to put the cucumbers in. First put cucumbers in. See, they're nicely in. Now I put the garlic. You can put the garlic in the beginning or like me, up to you. Now they're nicely in. We put the lid back on and we start with the water mixture. Here I have 500 milliliters of hot water, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, 2 tablespoons of salt, and 1 little spoon of sugar. I start by adding the salt and sugar and I mix it, making sure it's all diluted before I add the vinegar. It's all diluted. Now I can add my vinegar, mix it well together. By the way, subscribe and like will be awesome. Now that it's all well mixed together, I add it in the jar and make sure I cover it all the way up. Liquid all the way up, close the jar and let it rest for 1 week. And after the week, voila, they're ready to enjoy.